Yeah, we had to get a new belt for the air compressor so we could air the tire up on various different things. Big old mess. I get overstimulated a lot, but that doesn't stop me. It's raining. Had to run over my phone. Ah! Well, that lasted about 2 seconds. It rains a lot here in Mississippi. That still doesn't stop me for long. Love will keep us together. Sing. Okay, back to work. And now River is going to make sure it's safe. Because if you're new here, I'm learning everything. The whole point of this video is to get the dipstick tube out of the transmission. Because it's stuck in there and it's leaking and it's really stuck. So we gotta jack it up safely and go from there. So I had to go get my son off the bus and now it's time to get to work. Don't worry, Miss Satellite, you're next. All right. Time to go to work. Stop. I got it jacked up.
Vice grips.
You want me to like, board wet?
It ain't that bad. Put it down.
I got that tarp in there.
No, this is good. It'll be on there in a minute. Might need a hammer though. Taylor, can you reach up there and pull on me a little bit?
Yeah. Hey!
Wood's rolling out of it. Probably why it was full.
Why is it? Why did it
Because
leak?
this wasn't hooked up.
And
You
it just
gonna hook
rattled.
And it rattled till it leaked out.
Okay. Everybody say thanks, Paul. I cleaned my dipstick. Don't look at it. Gotta clean this one now. That's easy. Ah! I didn't think that through. Oh, oh. Okay, enough of that. Hopefully this is the one. This is for a Chevy truck, Paul said. So this one won't fit. Let's hope for the best. Well, here's the new one compared to the old one. And I'm not a genius or nothing, but I would say that is not gonna do the trick. No, stay away. Always. We learned that it's okay to ask for help, and I'm not very strong yet. No, you have to have the certain tools to do the job, and Paul knows how to get the job done. So we're gonna end this video here with a thank you to Paul and a big ol' hug and kiss to you for watching this craziness. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time. And no, I can't crank it because the dipstick, no, we can't crank it. Sorry. I love you. Goodbye. Subscribe.